Have you ever walked into your bedroom after a long, exhausting day, and it's actually clean? The bed is perfectly made, there's no laundry on the chair, the floor is clear, and the desk catches the soft glow of sunlight. In that moment, you don't need a therapist or a vacation. You just feel peace. But have you ever wondered why that is? Why does a clean room instantly shift our mood? Why does wiping a table or organizing a messy drawer feel almost therapeutic? Well, the answer lies deep in the psychology of our mind. And today, we're diving into that. Because cleaning your home isn't just about appearances. It's about mental clarity, emotional balance, and even your relationships. And if that idea resonates with you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Because what you learn today could change not just how you clean, but why you clean. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free top 10 cleaning products guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. The human brain is wired to detect patterns. It constantly looks for balance, harmony, and structure in its environment. So, when we're surrounded by clutter, a messy table, shoes scattered in the hallway, dishes piling up in the sink, our brain goes into a state of quiet chaos. Without us even realizing, it's processing that mess as a series of uncompleted tasks. Each pile of clothes isn't just laundry, it's an open mental tab. And just like too many tabs in a browser slow down your computer, too many visual distractions slow down your brain. But the moment we clean, we reduce those tabs. We free up space, not just on the shelf, but in our mind. That's why a clean home makes it easier to think, to focus, and to breathe. Psychologists have found direct links between clean surroundings and reduced stress levels. When your environment is tidy, your mind feels safe, in control, and supported. Think about it. When everything around you is chaos, even small problems feel overwhelming. But when your space is in order, you feel like you can handle anything. That's not just emotional, it's chemical. Studies show that being in a clutter-free environment actually lowers cortisol levels in the brain. It literally calms your nervous system. So cleaning isn't just a physical task, it's a form of mental hygiene. Just like brushing your teeth protects your mouth, cleaning your home protects your peace. Now let's be clear. This isn't about being perfect. It's not about spotless counters or magazine-worthy decor. It's about how your space feels to you. Because your environment holds energy. Every object, every surface, every corner either adds to your energy or drains it. That pile of unopened mail, that overflowing closet, those dusty shelves you keep ignoring, they don't just sit there. They pull at your attention. They remind you of what you're avoiding. But when you clean, even a single drawer, you reclaim that energy. You create movement. You send your brain a powerful signal. I'm not stuck. I can take action. I'm in control. Most people don't realize that clutter isn't just a mess. It's emotional weight. That broken lamp you haven't thrown out? It's a symbol of guilt. That drawer full of tangled chargers and receipts? It's indecision. That box of clothes you haven't worn in years? It's nostalgia that's holding you back. Cleaning forces us to confront those emotional attachments and decide what deserves to stay in our life and what doesn't. In that way, decluttering becomes a form of emotional healing. You're not just making space in your home, you're making space in your story. You're letting go of versions of yourself that no longer serve you. Let's talk about productivity. Ever notice how you suddenly feel more focused after you clean your desk? Cleaning is like rebooting your mental operating system. So next time you clean your room, don't see it as something you have to do. See it as something you get to do. Because every time you clean, you're giving yourself space, mentally, emotionally, and even spiritually. You're not just moving objects, you're moving your mindset. You're healing one step at a time. If this video helped you see your home differently, please like, subscribe, and comment below. What's one cleaning habit that makes you feel instantly better? Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free top 10 cleaning products guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. Let's share our small wins and build a cleaner, clearer community together.